In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Monday.com for marketing campaign planning step by step. If you're managing multiple campaigns, channels, deadlines, and team members, this setup will help you stay organized, track performance, and keep everything in one clear system. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete marketing campaign planner built inside Monday.com. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Let's get started. First, we need to create your marketing campaign board. Go to your Monday.com workspace. In the top left area, click on the plus Add button, then select New Board. Name your board Marketing Campaign Planner. Choose Main Board so your entire team can access and collaborate. Then click Create Board. Now you have a dedicated space where all your campaigns will live. Next, let's organize the board by campaign stages using groups. Groups help you separate work by phase. Rename your first group to Ideas or Brainstorm. Then add new groups called Planning, In Progress, Launch, and Completed. This structure mirrors the natural flow of a marketing campaign, from concept all the way to execution and wrap-up. You can move items between these groups as campaigns progress, which keeps your workflow clean and visual. Now, let's add the essential marketing columns that will help you track everything properly. Click Add Column and start with a status column. This will track where each campaign task stands, such as not started, working on it, stuck, or done. Next, add a People column and rename it Owner so you can assign responsible marketers. After that, add a Timeline column to define start and end dates for each campaign. Then add a Numbers column and rename it Budget to track spending. Finally, add a drop-down column called Channel. Here you can add options like email, paid ads, social media, influencers, SEO, or any channels your team uses. These columns turn your board from a simple list into a powerful campaign management system. Now it's time to add actual campaign tasks. Click on Add Item within the appropriate group. For example, under Planning, you might add items like Facebook awareness ads, email launch sequence, creative copywriting, or campaign reporting. For each item, assign an owner, set the timeline, update the status, select the marketing channel, and enter the allocated budget. This ensures every task has clear ownership, deadlines, and financial visibility. As work progresses, simply update the status or drag the item into the next group, like In Progress or Launch. To make your planning even more powerful, use Board Views. At the top of your board, click on Views. Add the Calendar view to see all campaign launches and deadlines laid out by date. This is perfect for content and promotional scheduling. Add the Gantt view to track campaign timelines across weeks or months and identify overlaps or delays. And add the Kanban view to visually manage tasks by stage, which is great for fast-moving marketing teams. Each view gives you a different perspective while using the same data. After each campaign is finished, create a group called Completed Campaigns. This is where you store historical data and insights. Add additional columns here for performance metrics, ROI, what worked, and what didn't. This turns your board into not just a planner, but also a learning system. Over time, you'll be able to analyze patterns, improve strategy, and make smarter budgeting decisions based on real results. And that's how you use Monday.com for marketing campaign planning. With one structured board, clear stages, essential columns, and multiple views, you can manage everything from brainstorming to reporting in a single organized workflow. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.